All right, so the next step is to verify your domain name. So you will receive an email from SiteGround that says verification required. Please verify your domain name as soon as possible. So you're going to scroll down and you will see a link here to verify your domain name. So you're simply going to click on that link and that will verify the domain name. So it may take a second to load, but you should get a page that looks like this, and it will prompt you to verify your information. So you just want to click verify information, and then it says your contact information is verified. Now that we're all verified, you want to go back to SiteGround and log in with your login credentials, and you want to go to My Accounts. And then you want to click on Go to cPanel. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to set up our SSL certificate. So if you scroll down, you will see a section that says security, and right underneath security you have Let's Encrypt, and you're going to click on that. So this particular account has multiple websites installed, so it may look a little bit different on your end. So what you're going to want to look for is this section here that says install new Let's Encrypt certificate, and your domain name should already be there. If not, you can always select it from the drop down. And then it's already selected Let's Encrypt SSL, so you just leave it as is and click install. If you give it a few minutes and refresh the page, you will see that your new domain name is now encrypted. As you can see, it says active, so it is installed.